Good afternoon students. Today video class I am going to start the exercise number 8.2 for the chapter 8. I am going to start the exercise number 8.2. What is the first question? Find the differential dy by dy for each of the following function. The value of y is given. We are going to find the differentiation in dy. Differentiation of y. Find the differential dy for each of the following function. What is the question? For the first question, first subdivision. Y equal to 1 minus 2x whole cube. Y equal to 1 minus 2x the whole cube by 3 minus 4x. Now we are going to differentiate y with respect to x. What is this? Is the numerator is u. Denominator is nothing but what? V. What is the product rule? U by v the whole dash equal to what? V into u dash. V into u dash minus v. First you write the numerator v into u dash minus u into v dash. U into v dash. So divided by v into u dash minus u into v dash by what? V square. This is nothing but what? Quotient rule. U by v equal to v into u dash. What is our v? The denominator is v. 3 minus 4x is the v. 1 minus 2x the whole cube is nothing but what? U. So v into u dash. So 3 minus 4x, that is nothing but what? V into u dash. So how to differentiate? What is the formula for x power n? X power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. This is taken as what? V into u dash. Now we are going to differentiate the numerator. This is nothing but keep it as x cube. N into 3 into 1 minus 2x whole power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but what? 2. So what is the assumption? What is we again differentiate? This is taken as what? X. So x power n is what is the formula? X power n is nothing but what? N into x power n minus 1. What is assumption for x? Capital X is assumed as 1 minus 2x. If you differentiate 1 becomes 0. If you differentiate minus 2x it will become what? Nothing but what? Minus 2. V into u dash minus, keep it as what? V as a u as itself. What is v? 1 minus 2x the whole cube. 1 minus, that is keep it as u as itself. 1 minus 2x the whole cube into what dash? V dash. So if you differentiate 3 minus 4x it will become what? 3 becomes 0. Minus 4x differentiate, that is nothing but what? Minus 4. This is what? Numerator. V into u. See the formula. U by v the whole dash equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So using this quotient rule we differentiate y with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to 3 minus 4x, that is the denominator v. 3 minus 4x into 1 minus 2x the whole cube is differentiate 3 into 1 minus 2x the whole square. That assumption differentiate to become what? Minus 2. V into u dash minus what is our u? U is what? 1 minus 2x the whole cube into what is our v? 3 minus 4x. If you 3 minus 4x differentiate we get what? Minus 4, because 3 become constant to become 0. Minus 4x differentiate we get what? Minus 4. Divide by v square. What is our v? 3 minus 4x the whole square. Afterwards we are going to simplify that one. But here what? 1 minus 2x the whole square. Here what? 1 minus 2x the whole cube. Here having the two terms. First term having 1 minus 2x the whole square. Here having 1 minus 2x the whole cube. So 1 minus 2x the whole square is taken as common. For easy calculation we take 1 minus 2x the whole square is common. If we take 1 minus 2x the whole square, what is the balance? 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is nothing but what? Minus 6. 3 into 2 is minus 6. 3 minus 4x. 3 minus 4x into 3 2s are minus 6. Again minus into minus become what? Plus. 4 into 1 minus 2x. So 4 into 1 minus 2x. Because already we take 1 minus 2x the whole square is taken as common. If we take whole square is common, that 1 minus 2x whole cube balance is what? Only 1 minus 2x. So for the calculation purpose we take 1 minus 2x whole square is taken as common. Next, what is the next steps? Just to multiply it. So 1 minus 2x the whole square, keep it as outside. Common for the both the term. 3 minus 4x into minus 3 into minus 6 is what? Minus 18. Minus 4 into minus 6 is what? Plus 24. Minus 4x into minus 6 is what? Plus 24x. Similarly 4 1s are plus 4. 4 2s are what? Minus 8. 4 2s are minus 8. Again what is the denominator? Denominator is nothing but what? 3 minus 4x the whole square. Again after simplification what do we get? 1 minus 2x the whole square into, so this is what? 24x. What is this? 8x. 24x minus 8x is nothing but what? 16x. Minus 18 plus 4 is what? Minus 14. So 1 minus 2x the whole square into 16x minus 14 divided by 3 minus 4x the whole square. Now differentiate y. So dy equal to the same what we studied in the 11th standard. Same rules followed. Only simple differentiation only. Now dy equal to 1 minus 2x the whole square 16x minus 4 by 3 minus 4x the whole square into the dx for denominator become goes to the right hand side, it become what product dx. Now dy equal to 1 minus 2x the whole square 16x minus 14 divided by 3 minus 4x the whole square into dx. This is the first sum. Second subdivision do as the homework sum. Second one is do as the homework sum. I am going to teach the third one. What is the third subdivision? Y equal to e power x square minus 5x plus 7. Y equal to e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into cos of x square minus 1. Here we are applying the product rule. This is taken, exponential function is taken as u, cos function taken as v. What is the formula for product rule? uv equal to, first sum we are using the quotient rule, second sum we are using the product rule. uv the whole dash equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. What is the product rule? uv the whole dash equal to u, keep it u as itself, differentiate v dash, u into v dash plus v into u dash. This is nothing but what rule? Product rule. Because you are having what is the function given? Y equal to one exponential form as well as the trigonometric form is given. So taken as exponential form, taken as this is u, this is v. Now differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, so keep it as u into v dash. So e power u is keep it as what? Keep it as constant, e into x square minus 5x plus 7 as it is constant. Again differentiate v dash. So cos x is differentiate, what happens? Sin x. This is keep it as x. Cos x is differentiate, we get minus sin x. So what is the assumption value? X square minus 1 is nothing but what? We keep it as x. Again for substitution method, again you differentiate, x square become what? 2x. So cos x is differentiate, we get what? Minus sin x. That assumed value is differentiate, we get what? X square. Assumed value is x square minus 1 differentiate, x square differentiate 2x. So 1 is nothing but what? 0. So u into v dash, that is exponential function into trigonometric function. So this is u, this is v dash. Again plus, again what we do? Keep it as cos x square minus 1, keep it as v. V is keep it as itself for the constant. Now we are going to differentiate the exponential from e power. E power x is differentiate, we get e power x only. This full term keep it as what? X. E power x is differentiate, e power x. Again assumption is now we are going to differentiate. Now x square is differentiate, it will become 2x. Minus 5x differentiate, we get what? Minus 5. So u into v dash plus v into u dash. This is nothing but we are using the product rule. Now dy by dx equal to, similarly exponential form is taken as common, e power x square minus 5x plus 7 is taken as common. What is the bracket inside? Minus 2x into sin of x square minus 1 plus 2x minus 5 into cos of x square minus 1. Take exponential form is taken as common, e power x square minus 5x plus 1 take outside, balance term is what? Minus 2x into sin of x square minus 1 plus 2x minus 5 into cos of x square minus 1. Now we find dy. dy equal to nothing but the same exponential form e power term into minus 2x into sin of x square minus 1 plus 2x square minus 5 into cos of x square minus 1 into that dx goes to the right hand side to become product. So dy equal to, we get the second answer. We can do the sum for the first question. Second sum do as the homework sum. That is nothing but y equal to 3 plus sin of 2x whole power 2 by 3. You do as the homework sum. Now we are going to find the second question. We are do the calculation part in the second sum. Find df. df is nothing but what? Estimated value, estimated change. So find df for f of x. F of x is equal to what? X square plus 3x, and evaluate for. So we are going to find, first part we find the dy only. Now we are going to find the df. Defined df for f of x is equal to x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x, and evaluate for what is the first subdivision. For second question also having the 2 subdivision. I am going to teach the first subdivision for you. First subdivision, x is equal to 2 and dx is equal to 0.1. Given the value for x as well as dx. What is the given function? F equal to, what is the given function? F of x, that is f of x, or f of x is equal to x square plus 3x. F of x is equal to x square plus 3x. Now df by dx. Now we are differentiate with respect to x. Df by dx is equal to, now differentiate x square, it become what? 2x. 3x is differentiate, we get what? 3. Now df equal to 2x plus 3 into dx. 2x plus 3 into dx. Now instead of x, what we are substituting? Instead of x is substituting 2. Instead of dx is substituting what? 3.1. So instead of x, substitute 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 into, what is our dx? Dx is the given value. What is the given value? X is equal to 2 and dx is equal to 0.1. Therefore, you substitute the value for 2 and 0.1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 is nothing but what? 7. 7 into 0.1. That is 0.7. This is nothing but what? df. df equal to 0.7. Second subdivision, do as the homework sum. Next, I am going to teach the del f. Del f and df. Del f. Delta f or del f. So find. See, what is the third question? Find del f or delta f or df for the function. F for the indicated value of x and dx and compare. So we are going to, what is the question given? Find delta f and df for the function. F for the indicated values of x comma dx and compare. We are going to compare the x and dx, delta x. What is the function? F of x is equal to x cube. What is the question given? F of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square. What is the question given? F of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square. Here x is equal to 2, delta x is equal to, delta x is nothing but dx is equal to 0.5. dx is equal to 0.5. df by dx is equal to, now df by dx is equal to, now we are going to again differentiate. X cube differentiate what is 3x square, n into x power n minus 1, 3x square minus 2x square differentiate, 2 2s are 4 minus 4x. Now df equal to 3x square minus 4x into dx. Now again the same, we are going to substitute x is equal to 2. The question itself given x is equal to 2, dx is equal to 0.5. Question itself given x is equal to 2, del x or dx is equal to 0.5. Now we are going to substitute the value. After substituting, what do you get? After substituting, we get 3 into what? 2 square. 3 into 2 square. 3 into, instead of x substitute 2, instead of dx substitute what? 0.5. So 3 into 2 square minus 4 into 2, dx is what? 0.5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are what? 8. 12 minus 8 is nothing but what? 4. 4 into 0.5. If 4 is multiplied with 0.5, and now we get the result df equal to 2. We get the result. Now delta f equal to, it is a formula, f of x plus delta x. Delta f equal to, we are going to find the del, what is that value? Delta f as well as df. Df is ordinary differentiation. Delta f, we are going to apply the formula. Delta f equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. What is our delta f? Delta f equal to f of x. X is equal to here x. What is the question given? X is equal to 2. Del x is what? 0.5. So delta f equal to f of 2 plus 0.5 minus, instead of x you substitute 2. Wherever x is substitute 2, delta x substitute 0.5. So delta f equal to f of 2 plus 0.5 minus f of 2. Again 2 plus 0.5 is nothing but what? 2.5. F of 2.5 minus f of 2. So you substitute the value. What is the function? Given function f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square. This is our given function. F of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square. Instead of x you substitute what? 2.5, because you are having, what is the question? So f of 2.5 is nothing, 2.5 the whole cube minus 2 into 2.5 the whole square. So f of because f of x, instead of x, f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square. First we substitute the value for 2.5 for the x value. Another value you substitute for what? F of first you substitute the value for 2.5. Next you substitute the value for 2. So f of 2.5 minus f of 2. So what you are going to substitute? 2.5, because f of x function is x cube minus 2x square. First 2.5 the whole cube minus 2 into 2.5 the whole square. So this is the 2.5 value. F of 2.5 minus f of 2. Instead of x, now you substitute 2. 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square. What is 2.5 the whole cube? 2.5 the whole cube is what? 15.625. 15.625 minus 2.5 into 1.25 multiplied with the 2, get what? 12.5. After simplification we get what? 2 cube, this is what? 2.5 the whole cube minus 2 into 2.5 whole square, we get what? 15.625 minus 2 cube is 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 8 becomes 0. So the second part becomes 0. The first part we get what? 58.6.25 minus 12.5. Therefore, what is our del f? Del f is 3.25. Del f is 3.125. Sorry, 3.125. Now see the question number 4. Assuming log e with base 10. Log e with base 10 is what? C equal to 0.4343. The question itself given log e with base 10 is 0.4343. Find an approximate value of log 1003 with base 10. So what is the question? Exercise number 8.2, question number 4. Assuming log e with base 10 equal to 0.4343. Find an approximate value of log 1003 with base 10 or log 1003 with base 10. We are given the value e power with base 10 is given. We are going to find the approximate value of 1003 with base 10. So now we are going to find the value for what? Log 1003 with base 10. So what is our f of x? F of x equal to general form, what do you write? Log x with base 10. Suppose if a log x with base 10 is rewrite as what? Log a with base b is log a by log b. Using the quotient rule for logarithmic quotient, log a with base b is we rewrite as what? Log a by log b. So here what? Log x with base e, log x with base e by log 10 with base e. So see, this is the logarithmic form. So log x with base 10 is rewrite as what? Log x with base e, because we are going to e with base 10 given value. Now we are going to find the value for 1003 with base 10. So apply the logarithmic rule. Log x with base 10 equal to log x with base e. Similarly, log 10 with base e. So what is the log 10 with base e is what? 1 by log 10 with base e is what? Suppose we go to the numerator, the power become what? Base become power. So 1 by log 10 with base e is rewrite as what? Log e with base 10. Log e with base 10. The question itself given log e with base 10 is what? 0.4343. Now listen, suppose 1 by, if you are taking the reciprocal for the logarithmic value, the base goes to the power goes to the base. So remember that one. So having log a with base b means what? 1 by log b with base a. Suppose the power and interchanged. Suppose we are taking the reciprocal, the power and base is interchanged for the logarithmic value. So we are going to rewrite log x with base e. This is what is the rule? Log a with base b equal to log a by log b. So log x by log 10 with base e. Log x, numerator is log x, denominator log 10 with base e. Suppose if we want to take the reciprocal for that one, the base and the power become interchanged. So log e x with base is keep it as itself. So log 10 with base e is we rewrite as log e with base 10. Now what is the value? Log e with base 10 is called base 10 into log x with base e. Next we are going to what? We are going to differentiate f dash of x. Now we know, remember the value, given the value is given in, what is the value is given? The given value is log e with base 10 is what? 0.4343. Substitute here. After differentiate, log e with base 10 is what? 0.4343 into log x differentiate, it will become what? 1 by x. Now we are going to approximate value is nothing but apply the linear approximation formula. Now L of x is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. What is the formula? Linear approximation. For the last two exercises we studied, L of x is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. Here x is equal to 1003. Given x value is what? 1003. For assumption of x naught equal to 1000. Delta x is equal to what? 3. 1000 plus 3 is nothing but 1003. So x is equal to taken as 1003. X naught is what? 1000. So very smallest value is what? 3. So substitute that one. The approximate value of f of 1003. F of 1003 is approximately equal to, This is the approximate value. F of 1003 is approximately equal to linear approximation of, that is approximate value we are going to find. L of 1003 into x naught is we know 1000, f of 1000 plus say f dash of 1000 into x minus x naught. 1003 minus 1000 is nothing but what? 3. So f of 1000 plus f dash of x naught is what? Again you write f dash of 1000 into 3. So how to, f of 1000 is what? Now we rewrite f of x. What is the function for f of x? X with base 10. F of x is what? X with base 10. So f of 1000 is rewrite as what? F of 1000 log of 1000 with base 10. F of log f of x is what? X with base 10. Instead of x we are having what? 1000. So log of 1000 with base 10 plus same. What is our f dash of 1000? F dash of x is what? What is our f dash of x? 0.4343 1 by x. So 0.4343 divided by what? 1000 into 3, because you see that one f dash of x is what? 0.4343. Instead of f dash of 1000 we write what? 0.4343 divided by 1000 into 3, because x value is what? X value is what? 1003. So 0.4343 divided by 1000 into 3 using the approximation formula. Now 1000 is rewrite as what? 10 cube. Log 1000 is rewrite as what? 10 power 3. Log 10 power 3 with the base 10 into, if we divide by 1000 it will become what? 0.4343 divided by 1000 it will become what? 0.004343 into 3. So this power goes to the product. 3 into log 10 with the base 10. So multiplied with the 3. This value is the decimal is multiplied with the 3. It will become 0.00133029. Next log power and base are same means what is the value? Log base with the power and base are same means what is the value? Value become 1. Log 10 with the base 10 is nothing but what is the value? Value become 1. 3 into 1 plus the 0.00133029. So if you add we get what? 3.00133029. Therefore the approximate value of log 1003 with the base 10 is nothing but what? 3.00133029. Okay, students, go through all the sum. What are the sums are given in homework? Complete it. Complete the homework properly. Thank you, students.